Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say again, rejoice. Philippians chapter 4 verses 4. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's recipe, we are going to make this comforting, very delicious, healthy, and a very easy green soup, popularly known in Ghana as Ebunuabunu Nkwan. This recipe is going to definitely bless all my Ghanaians abroad. We're doing it the diaspora way. It is quick, easy, and very, very delicious. We're going to pair with our very soft and lump-free fufu. So please stay tuned and let's get right into it. Absolutely delicious. So as usual, I have the list of ingredients down below in the description box, so please be sure to check them out. So if you're loving what you're seeing already, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. So to begin with, I like to blend some ginger, onions, and some Ghanaian green peppers, and I'll also add some peanut butter. It's just about 2 tablespoons of it, and with this soup you do not need too much spices, neither do you need too much seasoning. Okay, keeping your seasoning or spices very simple goes a long way with the soup, so please do not overdo it. Okay? So in my clean pot, I'm going to add my preferred protein. Today I use some beef and cow skin as well, and I also use some salted beef, aka tolo beef, just to revive the taste of the beef and the whole soup in general. I'm going to season it with a bit of salt and add all the blended ingredients, which I previously showed you not too long ago. Okay, so it has some onions, ginger, and a bit of green peppers and some peanut butter, and that is all about it. I'm going to cover it, allow it to steam for about 15 minutes. On the other hand, I'm going to blend the rest of the vegetables. I'm using the frozen spinach. You may go ahead and use the fresh one. Each one of them will be perfect for this. Okay. I also added 1 habanero pepper, 1 fresh tomato, and half size of my yellow onions. I'm going to boil this for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're nice and tender. Okay, so now after about 5 minutes, my vegetables are nicely cooked. I'm going to check on my meat. They are nice and cooking very well, and the spices in here are just amazing, especially with the peanut butter. It's just making everything make sense. You give it that authentic aroma, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to strain off the juices that I got from boiling my vegetables. They have lots of nutrients in there. Do not throw it away. I'm adding some Eden fruit, aka precursor, to give it that homely aroma and taste. It is so good. I'm going to cover it for it to boil for another 10 minutes while I'll then go ahead and blend all my vegetables. This soup is a quick one. It's so easy that you can make this with your eyes closed. It's super breezy one. So go ahead and add a little amount of water. Go ahead and give it a blend. Make sure it is nicely blended, very smooth, because we do not want any texture in this soup at all. Okay, so make sure it's nicely smoothly blended. All right, of course, if you're in Ghana, you can definitely use your kontomire, which is absolutely the best for this recipe. But hey, if you're here in the diaspora and you cannot find this, spinach is always a good solution to that. Okay, so make sure you check up on your meat once again. For me, I cooked this for about 30 minutes, especially with the addition of my peanut butter. You just want to make sure that the peanut butter is thoroughly cooked before you add the blended spinach and all the other ingredients. Okay, look how beautiful and green this look. It is so good, and it's just screaming healthy. It is so easy to make, and I promise you, once you try it, you're going to be making it every single time you get the chance to. Okay, so we want this soup to be a little bit on the lighter side, so I went ahead to wash the blender with about a liter or 2 of water, and just go ahead and allow this to boil. Yes, it has to boil for another 15 to 20 minutes until your soup releases some good amount of oil, as you already see in almost every Ghanaian soups. Okay, so go ahead and boil it. Just stir it a little bit so that you do not encounter any burn button. Okay, so here you can throw in some smoked fish, smoked mackerel, whatever fish that you have, you can throw it in here. Smoked catfish is highly recommended at the Adrene. Oh my goodness, coming in this soup will be just perfect. I didn't have any, so I used my smoked puku, okay, the head, and it was absolutely amazing. This is all up to you. If you're a lover of mushrooms, you can throw some here. It's definitely acceptable. It is so good in there, very crunchy and so amazing. I had my fufu done as well. I've shared how I make my fufu. Very simple, no pounding recipe with a fufu powder. I'm going to link it here and below, so please be sure to check them out. Just look at that. All the fufu was ready and it was ready to receive our soup. So after cooking the soup for an extra 20 minutes, it was ready, and just look how beautiful green it looks with all the meat and fish inside, and you can see those mushrooms are so nicely cooked. We go ahead and serve it on top of our fufu right where it belongs. You can pair this with your rice, bangkong, your any swallow of choice will be perfect for this. All right, so there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I really enjoyed my time with you. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. This soup is amazing. You need to give it a try. And once you do it, please let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Okay, so thank you once again for watching, and I will see you soon in my next one. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one.